March 20th, and we finally get some plants outside. These are the thornless honey locusts I started. They're not used to the wind, so they are working on that. These are the red and black currants I unbundled and seem to have been rooting out pretty well. My plan is to get them on bottom heat for another week or two to help transition them, but the sun is so good today, I couldn't resist it. These are the June berries that have had a rough run. They germinated in the mail, and I've been trying to keep them alive. You can see they're a little, oh, that's not good. A little wilted, a little sick. I think, probably from fruit flies, so the sun should really help with that. A little better airflow, letting the soil dry out all the way. So, also working on my big horizontal hive. This one is super insulated. It's upside down right now as I finish up a few joints, sealing some of it with beeswax, which is in the bag. And that's it. Tomorrow we're going to get 3 inches of snow, but it's going to warm up later in the day, so my plan is to get this painted. Obviously, this stuff will go back in the nursery tonight. I got bees flying on my easternmost hive, and that feels really good. I think they're just checking out this west one. I don't think there's any bees coming out of here right now. Come on. Come on, doggies. Come on. It's so nice today. It's supposed to get more snow, but... One day later. We definitely got 10 inches of snow because vehicles with 9 inches of clearance were having a hard time. The honey locust is looking well. The moringa is not, but I did turn the temp down quite a bit. We got wild bergamot, rosemary, white Welsh onions, blue stock flowers, and red Welsh onions. They're looking pretty good. Pretty pleased with this. It makes my heart really happy to see this much activity in March. So fingers crossed that they can hold on. This is one of the better springs I've had for my bees. I say spring, but look how deep the snow is. Hey, Rose, what do you smell? All right, just a little teaser for more beehive things. I took a community class and we built some horizontal hives, and I came home and made the frames. So next video is going to be all about that after I shovel snow. It's so nice today. It's supposed to get more snow, but